Your baby could be starving even while breastfeeding, and most new moms don't realize they are making these common mistakes until it's too late. Breastfeeding is natural, but that doesn't mean it's easy. Many new moms unknowingly make small mistakes that can cause pain, low milk supply, and feeding problems for the baby. In this video, we will uncover the most common breastfeeding mistakes and how to fix them. So, first of all, one of the biggest mistake is a poor latch. If the baby only sucks on the nipple instead of taking in the part of areola, it can cause cracked nipples, pain, and poor milk transfer. Signs of a bad latch include clicking sounds, pain during feeding, or the baby still acting hungry afterwards. To fix this, bring the baby tummy to tummy, wait for the wide open mouth, and guide the baby deeply onto the breast. Another common mistake is feeding only by the clock. Newborns don't always follow schedules. Waiting too long can make the baby overly hungry and frustrated, making breastfeeding harder. The more frequently the baby nurses, the more milk your body produces. Many moms think they have low milk supply when they actually don't. Babies often cluster feed during growth spurts, wanting to nurse more frequently. This is normal and helps increase milk production. A healthy weight gain, wet diapers, and active feeding are better signs your baby is getting enough milk. Skipping nights feeds too early can reduce milk supply. Your baby produces high levels of prolactin, that milk making hormone, during the night. Yes, it is exhausting, but these nighttime feeds play a big role in successful breastfeeding. Many mothers focus so much on the baby they forget to care for themselves. Dehydration, stress, lack of sleep, and poor nutrition can affect energy levels and breastfeeding comfort. And remember, asking for help is not weakness. Here are few bonus tips for smoother breastfeeding. Do skin-to-skin contact after birth. Burp the baby during feeds. Alternate breasts, and don't hesitate to talk to a lactation consultant if you are struggling. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both mom and baby. You are not a bad mother if breastfeeding feels difficult. Most moms face challenges in the beginning. With the right guidance and patience, it becomes easier over time. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with another new mom who might need your support.